Thank you for clicking Learn Tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn basic of Excel. Here we are learning basic layouts, how to put the data, how to format the data, how to work with functions. Let's go. When you open the Excel, you can see this like this layout, this window. Here you have recent files. This is my recent files, and you can open other works. And here there's the templates. The templates mean somebody makes and uploaded. You can use these templates. You can use and modify your own data. You can download more in internet. Okay, this time I'm going to use the blank workbook here because we want to go to the basic. This is the interface of Excel. Here we are calling this one the title bar. Okay, the second one we are calling menu bar, and here the next one we are calling ribbon. If you click this menu bar tabs, we are calling this our tabs. Insert page layout. Okay, if you click here, the ribbons are changed, and here there's a small boxes like this: clipboards, fonts, alignments, numbers, styles. We are calling these are the groups. Here there's a buttons, and we are calling these are the drop downs. Drop downs. Here you can get more for here. Drop downs button, and there's a small icon here. You can click here and get a more deep information for this alignment details. Here. And if you click this one, you can get more information for that. Okay, and the next one we are calling the formula bar, and here this is our sheet, Excel sheet, worksheet. Here there's a one sheet here. I'm going to type something here. I'm going to type name and press the tab key for your keyboard. You can press, go to the next cell. I'm going to type address, and I'm going to type something TP number, telephone number or something. Right. In here, this sheet 1 here, you can add a sheet from here. In Excel 2016, I will use here. You can click here, you can add the sheets. If you don't need the sheets, you can right click here and delete this one. Right click here, you can delete. And if you want to rename the sheet, right click and you can rename the sheet. You can put a name. I'm going to add a information. Yeah. You can change the color for this button. We are calling the tabs. Right click here. You can change the tab color here. Not change a red color here. Okay, click this one. In Excel, we are calling these are the columns. I'm going to add some name here. Lee, Sam. I'm going to add some telephone number here. Something like this. Just like this. And if you need a column for here, you can add a column here. I'm going to click here and right click, insert a new column. You can type anything here. I'm going to add city, and you can add the city something here. And if you want to add a row for here, you can click here and right click, insert columns. If you want a column, right click, insert, and rows, you can click here and right click, insert here. If you want to delete the columns, click here again, right click, delete. I want to delete this one. I'm going to delete this one. Right click here and delete. I'm going to delete these two rows. Select these two rows and right click, delete. Okay, I'm going to add some details for here. I'm going to click here. I'm going to add date, and click here to amount. here and I can add the data 01/05/2020 here, and another date I want a 04/05/2020 like this. I add some amount 450 and 1200 or something here like this. If you add some data here, you can add like this, and if you want to change this amount here, the 450, you need to add 4500. Then if you click here, if you press another 0 here, it's went to 0. You can't edit like that. Type again 450 here. If you want to add the 0, if you want, click here and you can click this formula bar here and you can type the another 0 and 4500, or you can simply double click here and you can make this and you can delete, or you can add. In here I'm going to change here Mr. Lee and R dot, or leave it. Then right, okay, I'm going to type again here like this. If you want to add here, you can click here and like this. I'm going to add some formatting for here, and amount, it's showing just a number. You can add the currency. I'm going to zoom a little bit this one, and then you can see the page perfectly. Here is one number, some plus here. I'm going to add something. And click here, and you can change the format here. There's a number, general. It normally comes general. If you click here, it comes general. And if you want to change the format of the date, so amount or number, you want to change the currency. If you click this one, you can change the currency. It's come rupees because I changed in my machine as a rupees. And here, if you want to change the currency format, click here and you can change it. So dollar or something. Okay, you can change the dollar. If I click here and again I will change this currency. I select this both of two and click here, currency. You can click the currency. You can change the dollar, or you can change any currency. So click dollar. Okay. In here, the date it's come like this, and if you want to change the size, or you can simply drag this one. You can change the row width here. You can change the row width like this. Here, if you drag, you can drag like this. If you want to make the auto size, you can double click here and you can change this. And if you want to change the column height, you can click here and drag it. You can change the column height. In here, and click this date. Here, it's automatically change the date. If you type the formatting like the date format, 01/05/2020, it's come automatically date. And you can change the date format also. You can click here, you can see the long date and short date. If I click the long date, let's change it. Yeah, you can select the both of them and you can change the date. And you can click here, you can find the more format of the date. Click this one. And here, if you want to change the font size, font color, bold, italic, underline, you can select this one and you can bold here. You apply to cell. In here, if you add something to the cell, it's adding to the cell. If you delete this one, sorry, I'm going to click here. There's a $1,200. I add the format for this cell. We are calling this cell name F5. Here you can see the name box, and I'm going to click this one and delete this. And again, you are going to add something. I'm going to delete these both. And you are going to add some numeric value. You're going to change the heading also, something differently, and you can click here and I'm going to type 45, something 45. Okay, it's automatically from the dollar because the format add in the cell. You can't remove the format from deleting the value. Okay. If you press the delete key on the keyboard, you can delete only the value in that cell. You can't delete the format. If you want to delete the format, you have to click here and here, home, edit, there's a clear. You can clear the all. It's gone there. Okay. And if you type again, number, yeah, it's come like this. Or you can click here simply and you can change it generally like that. Or you can have another system way. I'm going to change again currency, something, right? Currency or something. Yes, currency, and you can select these two and you can clear formats. Okay, formats are good. In here, I have another Excel file here. I'm going to click this one and I have some data here. I'm going to select this data and right click here. You can press the copy. Come my workbook here and I click the another sheet, next sheet, and I right click here and paste, normally paste, and I can press the zoom, little bit zoom here. You can make the zoom right. In here I got to add some formatting here. If you print this page, I'm going to print file, print. Here, if I print, you can see the print preview here. There's no lines. It's come the blank white sheet on print. I'll go back. If you want to add the borders, select the work and go to the font here, and there's a borders. And click the all borders here. It's come like this. And here, this is in this cell. This cell, there's nothing here. And if you want to add this one to the center, I'm going to select these cells. I'll click for cell and drag it. You can select the both cells, and I'm going to merge the cell, merge it. Here you can merge. If you want to cancel the merge, you can click the cell again, and you can simply remove this one like this. I need the format, it's merging, and click here and I merge it. Now I'm going to file, print. Here you can see the borders here. Go back. If you can print like this one here, and there's a page border. And this is my page. If you print something, it's printed in this area only. Here you can click here also. The as a normal and page layout. You can see the page. This is an A4 size page. You can set the page size, page layout here. Here you can click here and change the page size A4 or something. And click A4. Right. Go to the back, to the home, and click the normal. In here, I'm going to calculate the total. Click here and press equal. You can press this one and press the plus. This one again press plus, and this one press enter. You can calculate the total. If I click this cell, you can see the value 75, 9, and if you click this cell, you can see the formula here, equal E6. E6 means E6 this one plus T6 these things are the total. And you can see here the formula here that these cells are sum, not at this value. If you change this value, I want to change this 90 to 90, I want to change 50. Can change normally the total change. And I'm going to click here. You can click like this also. There's a 4 functions. Click this one. Press auto sum. You can press the sum button here. You can drag these things and simply press enter. It's also same here. Sum C7 to E7. C7 to E7. They make the sum here. They're showing the formula bar. If you change the value, there's 85. I'm going to press 90 here. 5 increase. This change. Or you can select like this. You can click here. Make the sum. And if you make the ones, you can go to here, click the cell, and you can go to the corner of the cell. You can drag it, and you can make the value here. Sort of like C9 to E9, and this one C10 to E10. This sum value. In here, I'm going to change the average. I press AVG average. You can click here, and press here, and click average. I don't need to add the total for the average, and because I'm going to select these things and press enter. I have to drag this thing. This one. Now I need to move this one to before the total. Now I'm going to click here. Don't click the total. Upper here. Click this. Right click. Insert. And you can select this one. And you can press the Ctrl X. Cut. You can click here to Ctrl V and paste. Like this. And again I want to add some lines. Here there's a lot of decimal points are applied. There's a 4 decimal points here. Something. Here I'm going to add. I can add and remove the decimal points here. This one. And I can reduce the decimal point. You can add and remove. Just I'm the 2 decimal points here. And you can make the alignment to center. Bold center the headings here, and bold and center the headings, and this one I'm going to make the bold, and you can fill this color background. Okay, try to practice these things, and we have some more basic in Excel, formatting datas and the formatting, conditional formattings, more functions, how to copy paste, and how to manage the perfect Excel sheet. We are going to looking at for the next video. Click the link and subscribe the channel. Learn, and you can learn Excel and AutoCAD, Photoshop, Illustrator, and many more softwares from this channel. Thank you for watching.